let's start with the second question. Here you have, in the given figure where LM is parallel to CB and LN is parallel to CD, prove that AM by AB equals to AN by AD. Now here I have a given figure where you can see, just observe two triangles in this given figure. Here you have A, B, C. Let this be a first triangle, and the second triangle here you have is A, C, D. Okay, just consider these two triangles in the given figure. So now just draw this triangle separately to have a better understanding. So let's make these two triangles over here like A, B, C, triangle ABC, where a parallel line is drawn through it. When we know that when a parallel line is drawn to one side of the triangle to intersect the two sides in a distinct point, then the other two sides are divided in the same ratio, as we know. And here you have the second triangle. So let's draw this triangle ACD over here. Okay, triangle. I have a triangle over here. So triangle, let's name this as triangle A. Let this be C, D. Okay. Now let's draw the parallel line over here, where we can write like N, L. Okay, a parallel line is drawn like L and N. Now, so the solution given what? Where LM is parallel to CB, we know that LM which is parallel to CB and LN which is parallel to CD. So here I have drawn a parallel line at a distinct points in the given triangle. Thus the two sides are in same ratio, or two sides are divided in an equal ratio. As let's consider a triangle like from triangle A, B, C. By BPT theorem, where LM is parallel to BC, thus just consider BPT theorem. When by BPT theorem we can say that AM by MB equals to AL by LC, right? AM by MB equals to AL by LC. Okay, let this be equation number 1 or first equation, and just take the second one from triangle. From the second triangle, from triangle ACD. From triangle ACD, here we have where LN is parallel to CD. Okay, a line LN is parallel to CD. Thus, this line is parallel in the triangle which intersects two sides in the distinct points, that the other two sides are divided in the same ratio by BPT theorem again. So here I have written like by using basic proportionality theorem or Thales theorem. Now here by using again BPT theorem, we can write like AN by ND equals to AL by LC. AL by LC, right? So let this be equation number 2 or second equation by again BPT theorem. Okay. So now here just consider from equation 1 and equation 2. Just write like from equation 1 and 2. From equation 1 and 2. So the first equation here you have what? AM by MB equals to AL by LC. Okay, just consider first equation, where first equation we know what? AM by MB equals to AL by LC, right? Next, which is equals to, here you have the second equation where AM AN by ND equals to AL by LC. Right? We got two equations. First equation, second equation. Here you have AL by LC, AL by LC gets cancelled. Okay, now here we have what? AM by MB equals to AN by ND. Finally, I got this. But but required to prove is what? Required to prove is AM by AB equals to AN by AD. So I got what? AM by MB equals to AN by ND. So this is not what I want to require to prove. But here, okay, so just reciprocal it. Okay, just by doing reciprocal. By reciprocaling this, we can write like MB. Let's me write now like. So by reciprocal step, here we can write like MB by AM equals to. So just reciprocal this, as we get like ND by AN. Done. ND by AN. Now here, by adding 1 on both sides. By adding 1 on both sides, where we get like, so just add one on the RHS side and LHS side. Okay, LHS side and RHS side, as we get like MB by AM plus 1 equals to ND by AN plus 1. Okay, now take LCM, as here we haven't any value, so we can imagine 1 in the denominator plus. So just take LCM. By taking LCM, we get like AM. LCM for 1 and AM, which gives AM, as we know, where we can write like AM. Okay, now LCM into numerator by denominator, LCM into MB divided by AM, which gives what? Which gives MB plus MB plus AM. Okay, clear till here? Now here we can write like, if we take LCM for AN and 1, we get like AN. So by taking this, we can write like ND plus A. Okay, LCM into numerator by denominator. By having it, we get like this equation. We get this equation. Now here, clear, we know that MB plus AM, where MB plus AM gives what? AB, right? Here, if you observe here, where MB plus AM, which gives AB, as let me write here, MB plus AM, which gives AB. So just write like AB by AM equals to ND plus AN. ND plus AN, which gives AD. AD by AN. Clear? Clear till here? Now we got what? AB by AM equals to AD by AN, but still it is not satisfied. So now just make reciprocal again. By doing reciprocal, we get like what? AM by AB equals to AN by AD. Right? We got AM by AB equals to AN by AD. therefore, hence its